Bolivia vote in the first round of presidential election. On s'indé-12 Montafte disputait polls spark a mass protest and the downfall of the country controversial leftist leader Evo Morales. France 24 take a look back at the Latin American country year of turbulence. The frontrunner centrist ex-président Carlos Mesa and Luis Morales a not a successor and candidate for a left-wing party. Polling data predict a sweep out, on top in the October 18 first round, but with the 40% vote share and 10 points li requirait à voix à runoff en novembre 29. Analyst forecast Mesa triumphing in the second round, propellé au Veselin by the Anion but ma slogan popular among much of Bolivia middle class. The five vote candidate, lagging in the poll, are all expected to back Mesa. Il the margin will be close, Urma of the view that Mesa will take the race to a 29 November runoff. Ich will be favorite to 1, Philippe Gruppeli Carvalho, Bolivia analyst à consulting firm Eurasia Group, de l'agence France Presse. Clear manipulation of last year vote presidential election common after Morales claimait, à court terme in octobre 2019. Fear of fastolant vote émergent official Sudan list op releasing result after poll close. The Italian putting Morales eye of Mesa, I closest challenge, but well short of the Leonide to avoir a second round. Adelate, the Electoral Commission abruptly sent out no figure showing Morales just 0. 7 points shy of the threshold to win on the first round. Mesa accusé Morales of engaging in monumental fraud. Morales accusé Mesa of using foreign support to wage a coup d'État. Nationwide protest broke out, with anti-government protest storming to state media outlet, accusing them of buying Morales' pocket. En audit by the Organization of American States, en novembre 9 on couvrait clear manipulation of the Kun. Morales resigné the next day, claiming political asylum in Mexico a clash between his supporters and opponents continued to rage, on the street of the capital La Paz. No living in Argentina, the former president continued to accuse putschist of illegitimately kiboshing the re-election. The ex-president in étranger to controversy. In a 2016 plebiscite, Bolivia narrowly rejectait a proposé constitutionnel amendamental, avant d'appeler him to reform à court terme. The Supreme Court overturned a vote in a fiercely disputed decision, ruling that the Constitution violated Morales' human rights blocking him from seeking a noted term. Morales affirme control over the state my institution, and he was pretty clear ta manipulation wagouin on, c'est Colin Harding, director of specialist publication Latin form. The referendum affaire tarnishes the considerable international reputation Morales a built since becoming Bolivia first indigène president in 2006. The country GDP expandait à mort en 4, per year during its 10-year reign, as the resource-rich nation a global commodity boom. Morales really benefited from beneficial economic circumstances, high commodity price helped very much, Harding noted. At the same time, continuait. Major economic policy were non nearly a radical rhetoric, and the well to attract a lot of foreign investment. And really did Nelson after Morales usted, he was irriguing opponents to accuse of an illicit power grab. Janine Áne, a conservative vice-president of the Senate, declares herself acting president November 13. Áne was 15 the line of succession, but as above et as to done, all took some Morales loyalist tried to annul their resignation. She took office despite the lack of parliamentary quorum, caused by a parliamentarian boycott of the vote à point et. The day after taking office, Áne announced a election were forthcoming, with to specifying a date. She added a Morales will be barred du toyen constitutionnel decision to stand for a court terme. Démonstration renglée en over the following week, Titima Morales supporter Ayeto demand Áne resignation. The deadly protest prompted Bolivia influential Catholic Church to demand the to side for negotiation. In December, Bolivian prosecutor Brugge charge against the exilé Morales, on ground of sedition and terrorism, accusing him of ordering the supporter to engage in street violence. La thèse Sam monte, Morales dans Ost Mexico accusé Bolivia of intimidating embassy staff working in La Paz after the Mexican government gave diplomatic protection to none of Morales former minister of a criminal charge. ex-colonial powers wake up in the imbroglio en diploma visit the Mexican ambassador residence in La Paz, accompagné Bimas Kemen. The Bolivian government expelled two Spanish diploma and the Mexican ambassador after accusing spy of trying to help the ex-minister flee the country. Upon taking office in November, Anne Sechua is interested in standing for president in the upcoming election. In early January, she named a date for the poll, May 3. La thèse Sam monte, Sharon Jeon early statement and annonce et candidacy. Anne Communication Minister Roxana Lizarraga resigné, saying that she lost sight of the objective and had started to fall into the same villa et Processor Morales. Urlate, Anne asked alle au féministe to resign. Anne really did mate, Hardingse. Showa un obscur politicien au qui émergeait à the head of gouvernement. Of untasche ratelicator and did nu want to return to obscurity. Extreme polarisation dans the coronavirus truc. Anne imposait à 2-week lockdown en Marche 21, and announced the postponement of the May election to September 6. Covid-19 Bolivia relatively are. The country a recordé morts en 8,000 dit and 137,000 casus a population of 1,6 million people, facing shortage of test, protective equipment and intensive care bed. 8 ban a rectified system since Morales tenure. Anne announced a testé positive along with 7 of ministre in early July. 2 weeks later, et gouvernement annonçait à seconde élection de lait, qui Timothy l'octobre 18. Qui provoquait à furter run of protest, 8 Morales supporters blocking road across Bolivia. The gouvernement s'est causa the dit of a list Trump by obstructing oxygen supply to hospital. En effet les taux improve popularity rating in the poll during type Rio. Consequently, she announced a withdrawal from the presidential race en septembre 18. Sandy Paul will be watched closely for any sign of impropriety. En Friday, a Ligue commissionné formellement Rig Michelle Bachelet implorait à les acteurs involvés in the election to ensure a fair and peaceful vote, adding that the election represent opportunity to really move forward, on social and economic front, and to diffuse extreme polarisation tarabant plaguing Bolivia over the past 5 years.